Hi, this is Elliot Eisenberg here to help you better understand the housing market and how to make the most of it. The most important thing to remember is that the Fed has almost certainly finished raising interest rates. Yeah, it's possible they'll raise rates one more time, but I highly doubt it. GDP slowly weakening, the labor market slowly weakening, inflation's coming down, maybe not as fast as the Fed would like, but it's happening. As a result of that, I expect the Fed to begin lowering interest rates as early as June of this year and probably no later than July. That's good news. So keep this in mind front and foremost. The second thing that's important to keep in mind is that even if there's a recession, that's not a reason not to buy a house. Yeah, people say, Elliot, there's going to be a recession. Prices are going to fall like they did in 08, 09. No, they're really not. 13, 14 years ago, we were vastly overbuilt. Now we're underbuilt. 13 or 14 years ago, there was very little home equity. A lot of homes were upside down. Now that's not the case. Almost nobody is upside down because home prices continue to appreciate. Third, the unemployment rate, if we have a recession, and that's hardly a certainty, will certainly go up, but nothing like it did 13, 14, 15 years ago when it went up from roughly 5.5% to 11% and doubled. This time it may go up from 3.5 to as much as 5, a much lower level and from a much lower base. What can buyers do in this market to help themselves the most? Here are a whole bunch of ideas. First, get your finances and paperwork in order so that you can get pre-approved for a mortgage, critically important. Then, find a realtor you really like to work with and enjoy and really trust and believe in. And then start house hunting, so that when you hunt and when you finally find a house that you like, you can pounce on it and grab it before anybody else. And if all goes well, in a year and a half after the Fed's lowered rates quite a bit, you'll be able to refi down your mortgage by 1%, maybe 1.5%. That's all for now. See you soon.